Welcome to this complete Izmir Turkey guide. Nestled on Turkey's Aegean coast, Izmir is a city that effortlessly blends the ancient and the modern. From its vibrant bazaars to its tranquil beaches, from its historic ruins to its cosmopolitan streets, Izmir is a city that has something for everyone. It's a city where history whispers in every corner and adventure awaits at every turn. So pack your bags, tie your shoelaces, and put on your explorer's hat. Join us as we explore the top 10 must-visit places in Izmir, Turkey. First stop, Konak Square, the heart of Izmir. This vibrant hub is an emblematic symbol of the city's rich history and culture. Konak Square is a bustling epicenter, teeming with life and energy. It's where the old meets the new, where tradition intertwines with modernity. Historically, the square has been a focal point of social and political gatherings, echoing the voices of generations past. Today it continues to serve as a meeting place for locals and tourists alike, drawn in by the allure of its lively atmosphere. The square is flanked by a myriad of shops, cafes and restaurants, offering a taste of the city's diverse culinary scene. And let's not forget the iconic Izmir Clock Tower, standing majestically at the square's center. It's a testament to the city's resilience and enduring charm. So if you're seeking the authentic Izmir experience, look no further. Konak Square, where the pulse of Izmir beats. Next, we ascend to the ancient fortress Kadifekale. Also known as Velvet Castle, this historic gem perched atop a hill is one to behold. Originating from the Hellenistic period, Kadifekale has seen the rise and fall of many empires, each leaving a distinct mark on its structure. As you wander through the castle, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at the fortitude and resilience of the walls that have withstood the test of time. The castle's vantage point offers a breathtaking panoramic view of Izmir, a sight that truly encapsulates the city's vibrant spirit. In addition to the castle itself, the surrounding neighborhood is a bustling hive of activity, with its narrow, winding streets and local vendors selling everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. It's a fascinating glimpse into the everyday lives of Izmir's residents. At Kadifekale, history stands tall. Now immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and flavors of Kemeralti Market. Nestled amidst the bustling city, the market is a confluence of culture, cuisine and commerce. With its roots dating back to the 17th century, Kemeralti offers a unique blend of the old and the new. Every nook and corner here tells a tale of time-honored traditions and crafts. Delve into the labyrinth of shops selling everything from handmade carpets, intricate jewelry, to aromatic spices and Turkish delight. It's a place that pulsates with life, where every purchase is a story waiting to be told. As you wander through the narrow alleyways, the air is filled with the aroma of freshly brewed Turkish tea and mouth-watering street food. The symphony of haggling vendors, chirping birds, and the clang of artisans at work is the soundtrack of the market. Kemeralti Market, where the taste of Izmir comes alive. Time stops at our next destination, the iconic Izmir Clock Tower. This captivating landmark, nestled in Konak Square, is a symbol of Izmir's rich history and culture. Erected in the late 19th century, the tower stands at an impressive 25 meters high, with 4 fountains at its base, creating a spectacle that's a sight to behold. The clock tower, designed by French architect Raymond Charles Pierre, is a fusion of Ottoman architecture and Western influences. It's made from elegant carved stone and features an intricate clock mechanism gifted by German Emperor Wilhelm II. It's not just a timekeeper, but a storyteller, each tick and tock echoing tales of Izmir's past. The tower, with its striking features, has become a beloved symbol of the city, standing tall and proud amidst the bustling life of Izmir. It's a testament to the city's resilience and a beacon of its vibrant spirit. Izmir Clock Tower, where time meets beauty. Step into the past at the Agora Open-Air Museum. Here, amidst the remnants of ancient Smyrna, you'll find yourself traversing the corridors of history. This archaeological wonder, nestled in the heart of Izmir, is a testament to the city's historical grandeur. The Agora, a marketplace in ancient times, is now an open-air museum that houses an impressive collection of artifacts and art. Imagine the bustling life of yore as you stroll through the colonnaded courtyards, marvel at the ornate mosaics and explore the crypts and tunnels beneath. What makes this museum exceptional is its unique blend of the past and the present. The ruins coexist with the cityscape, offering a vivid juxtaposition that's both intriguing and captivating. It's not just a museum, it's a living, breathing part of Izmir's story, So if you're a lover of history or just someone who appreciates a good old tale, the Agora Open Air Museum is a must-visit. Agora Open Air Museum, where history unfolds under the open sky. Elevate your Izmir experience at Asansor. Asansor, Turkish for elevator, is not just any lift. This historical structure was built in the late 19th century by a wealthy Jewish banker and trader, Nesim Levi Bayraklioglu, to ease the steep climb from Mithat Pasa Street up to the hilltop. It's an ingenious solution, isn't it? The Asansor quickly became much more than a mere convenience. It's a destination, a symbol of Izmir's ingenuity and charm. A ride in the Asansor is like stepping back in time, with the antique charm of the wooden lift cabin and the soft hum of the machinery. Once you reach the top, you're greeted with breathtaking views of the city's skyline and the Aegean Sea, a sight that has been enchanting visitors for over a century. It's a place where you can feast your eyes on the bustling city below while enjoying a quiet moment above it all. Asansor, where Izmir reaches new heights. A delve into the rich history of Izmir at the Izmir Archaeology Museum. Here, the past of this ancient city unfolds before your eyes, revealing tales from millennia ago. This museum is a treasure trove of artifacts, housing three main collections that span the breadth of Izmir's history. The first collection takes you back to the Bronze Age, showcasing relics of civilizations that once thrived on these lands. Then the second collection presents the classical period, where Greek and Roman influences left indelible marks on Izmir's cultural tapestry. Lastly, the Byzantine collection provides a glimpse into the time when Izmir was a vital part of the Byzantine Empire. From intricate mosaics to grand statues, each artifact paints a vivid picture of the past, making the museum a must-visit for history buffs. The museum is not just a building filled with ancient items, it's a time capsule, a storyteller, a key to understanding Izmir's past. Izmir Archaeology Museum, where the past whispers tales of glory. Venture outside Izmir to the ancient city of Ephesus. A major player in the world of antiquity, Ephesus boasts a rich tapestry of history that dates back to the 10th century BC. Renowned as a significant center of learning, this city was a beacon of culture, attracting scholars and philosophers from across the ancient world. The archaeological significance of Ephesus is undeniable. As you wander around the remnants of the city, you'll find yourself stepping into a world where Roman emperors and Greek mythologies intertwined. The city's grandeur is evident in the Library of Celsus, with its ornate facade, and the Great Theatre, capable of accommodating 25,000 spectators. But Ephesus isn't just about the grand structures, it's the little things like the intricate mosaics and detailed sculptures that truly bring the city to life. Ephesus, where the echoes of ancient civilization resonate. It's truly a testament to the power and prowess of the civilizations that once dominated these lands. Experience rural tranquility at Sirince Village. Tucked away in the verdant hills of Izmir, Sirince Village offers a delightful escape from the bustling city life. This quaint village, with its whitewashed houses and narrow cobblestone streets, is a charming spectacle of Turkish rural life. Sirince is a tapestry of vibrant culture and rich history, with roots tracing back to the 5th century. Its name, meaning pleasant, perfectly captures the essence of this idyllic village. Here the air is filled with the sweet aromas of olive groves and vineyards, as Sirince is renowned for its fruity wines and olive oil. The villagers, warm and welcoming, contribute to the village's unique charm, inviting visitors to partake in their daily routines. One might find themselves picking olives, weaving traditional rugs, or even learning a few phrases in Turkish. In Sirince, time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to truly appreciate the simple joys of life. Sirince Village, where serenity finds its home. Finally, unwind in the lively district of Alsancak. Known for its charming streets lined with historical houses, bustling cafes, and vibrant nightlife, Alsancak is the heartbeat of Izmir. During the day, explore the quaint shops and art galleries. As night falls, the district transforms into a hub of entertainment with its array of pubs and restaurants. It's the perfect place to soak up the city's atmosphere, mingle with locals, and cap off your Izmir adventure. Alsancak, where the spirit of Izmir thrives. Izmir, a city that captivates with its history, charm and vibrancy, from the bustling Konak Square to the stunning views atop Kadifekale, through the lively Kemeralti Market and to the time-worn Izmir Clock Tower. We've seen the rich history at Agora Open Air Museum, the unique Asansor, and the treasured artifacts at Izmir Archaeology Museum. We've strolled through Ephesus, sipped wine in Sirince Village, and wound down in the picturesque Alsancak. Thank you for joining this journey through Izmir. Until next time, happy travels.